Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a great selection of some of the top knife brands out there, and Benchmade knives are one of the best. We have a new knife release available today, August 4th, 2022. For those who are watching the video on this date, it's going to be available sometime midday to the afternoon on our website. And if you're watching this video after that date, hopefully we still have them in stock. And if we don't, we're going to be getting more in. Anyway, for those looking for their next favorite everyday carry knife, check out the all-new 533-3 Mini Bugout. The blade is made from CPM S390V super steel and milled carbon fiber handle, featuring blue anodized aluminum back spacer and blue thumb studs. This is a great ultralight folding knife. And if you're looking for more details, please see the specifications in the comments below. So this knife costs $270 with free shipping. And make sure to subscribe to our channel to see other new releases that are coming soon, specials, discount codes, and other everyday carry gear. Thank you.